Hey guys, in this video, I'm showing you how to get more characters fast in Honkai, Star Rail, so you can build a stronger team, mix up your strategies, and take on tougher enemies with ease. First off, use your pulls wisely. Save your stellar jades for banner events that feature 5-star characters you actually want to use. Next, complete daily missions and assignments. These often reward free pulls or enough points to slowly build up your stash for bigger roles. Don't miss out on weekly boss battles. Defeating them gives bonus rewards, including character credits and even free pulls during special events. Here's a pro tip. Participate in limited-time events. Many of them offer extra pulls, guaranteed characters, or special banners with boosted rates. Also, log in daily and check the event calendar. Some days give you free characters just for showing up, especially during big updates or holidays. So should you feel stuck with few characters? Not anymore. Just follow these steps, play smart, and keep pulling for new stars. Let me know in the comments which character you're trying to get next. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe.